back to the channel. If you are new here, hit that button. What are you waiting for? Hey everyone, welcome to TVLDESIGNZ. If you're new here, welcome. If you're just getting started, you're in the right place. In this video, I am going to walk you through all the essential tools you need to kick off your sewing journey. Okay, so before you dive into your sewing project, having the right tools is key to making your sewing experiences smooth and enjoyable. Whether you're sewing by hand or using a sewing machine, these tools will make your life way easier. So let's go over the must-haves for any beginner. First up, we have fabric scissors. These are a game changer. Make sure you use them only for fabric and always keep them sharp. Next up is a seam ripper. It helps you fix any type of mistakes without messing up your fabric. It's an easy way to remove your stitches. Next up, we have measuring tape. Measuring tape is essential to getting accurate measuring for your projects. It's flexible, so it's great for measuring curves, waistlines, and hems. Pins and pin cushions. They keep your fabric pieces in place as you sew. Also, as another option, you do have wonder clips you can use alongside your pins. Some projects you might want to interchange the two. Tailor's chalk. Tailor's chalk. Now I do have regular chalk as well. The only difference is this is pretty thin and this is a little bit wide. Either way, chalk is chalk. So Tailor's chalk is a great way of creating your lines, making sure your measurements are accurate without leaving a permanent mark. Tailor's chalk also helps you stay on track with your sewing projects when it's time to cut things out with your scissors. And finally, a thimble. This is super helpful with hand sewing, especially with thick fabric. It helps protect your fingers. Sewing by hand, much less painful. If you're using a sewing machine, you want to buy a set of sewing machine needles. Different projects require different types of needles and sizes. So there you have it. These essential tools will set you up for success as you start your sewing project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more sewing tips and tutorials. Also, leave a comment below and let me know which sewing tool that you can't wait to try. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.